Click the link below and get started with us today on Udemy. 1 Minute English. In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use be into. Be into means be interested in or active in something. We often use it for hobbies, music genres, and movie genres. For example, I'm really into sports. What kind of music are you into? I'm really into Kpop. They are always together. They're totally into each other. We use get into to mean become interested in or active in something. For example, Sarah got really into yoga during the lockdown. Give it a go. What are you into? Tell us in the comments.